Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off remix for specific video on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Choose the video you want to turn off remix. Now tap on the screen of your video and open it as Reels. Tap on the three-dot icon from the right side of your screen. From the menu, tap on Remixing. Tap on Turn Off Remixing. Then a screen will pop up, and from there, tap on Turn Off. And you will turn off the remix on the video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to turn off remixes for a specific video on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.